Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube family. How are you all? Today I will share with you the recipe of crispy chicken burgers. So let's start. Take half a cup of tamarind juice, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon red chili, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, according to taste salt, 1 teaspoon chaat masala. So mix well. Take half kg boneless chicken. Let the chicken marinate for 30 minutes. Cut 3 medium-sized potatoes. Add 1 tablespoon of rice flour and 1 teaspoon garlic powder and mix well. We will fry them. Add half bowl cabbage. And then add 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise and according to taste black pepper and mix well. I'm using Dawn burgers. And then the chicken will be coated flour and water. Now let's fry well. Apply tomato ketchup on the burgers. We will keep the chicken and will put salad and fries. Delicious burgers ready. I hope you guys liked today's recipe. Enjoy it with your families. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.